Good evening, it's VJ Franz K unboxing, or unbagging, in this case, the sample Trek from Sonicware. Here it is, shipped from Japan, ready to make music anywhere. Super portable beat making experience, and I've been looking forward to this since I was one of many Kickstarter backers to get into this thing. And here is the machine, really small and portable, as promised. The weight is light. It does have that game system feel, doesn't it? And of course we have this D-pad, which takes us back to the days of 8-bit and 16-bit gaming, when the analog stick was not the main standard controller, and it has buttons have that sort of feel to it. Let's see, and we'll flip it over here. Just got this in the mail. It's exciting, and I will draw your attention to the battery compartment on the bottom, which is one of the claims to fame of this unit. We've got space for 6 batteries, and I'm charging up my 6 rechargeable batteries over there. So it'll be great for portable beat making wherever you want to go. You could put it on a microphone stand to be your play stand while you're using it. Put it beside your microphone, and you can have your microphone in on one of these inputs. And I will probably use an external voice processor just because I like a few extra effects. But I wouldn't mind some extra vocal effects here inside the sample Trek in a later firmware update or something. So that's step 2 of the unboxing. And step 3 is going to be get the batteries and start making beats immediately. I won't even necessarily have to plug it into the wall at first because it has a portable speaker and a built-in microphone in case you want to record your voice spontaneously, or maybe you just want to record a sound that you hear in the world around you in your daily life and you don't have a nicer microphone there. I might also try with a battery-powered microphone that I have later on to gather the sounds of the world around, but so far I like it. I like the feel. It's going to be a bit heavier with those 6 batteries in there kind of weighing it down, but that's okay. And of course it also includes an AC adapter, which is good. Not every machine includes an AC adapter. It doesn't include the SD card, but I got some of those on the internet, and here is micro USB. I think it is micro, and that's the USB connection for uploading samples, firmware, and such. But anyway, I like it so far. Let's move forward.